What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today we are Monday, December 29. I just uploaded a short. Go check it out, guys. I explain a little bit my entry. Anyway, I just woke up, I was sleeping. There's rain in the background. Then I woke up around 10:50. So I was like, "Oh shit, no way. I just probably what's it called? I probably missed my trade." So I hopped on TradingView right away, and yeah, I was looking. So let's get into it. Let's go back into replay. Today, I mean, honestly, I don't know if I said it in the last video. The whole December, I was like coping, oh, it's bad, it's bad. But honestly, it's not even bad. Just the strategy, the win rate dropped a little bit more, and that was it. It was my discipline that was bad. Me taking more than one trade, me crashing out, right? Honestly, but regardless, sorry if I stumble upon my word. It's like super early. Like I said, I just woke up. My brain is. So Friday we won. Friday we started our 5 evals on Tradeify. We won. Today we won. So tomorrow, when I win, I just need around a 1-to-1. I think I need 600 or maybe 500. I'll look at it when the dashboards updates. And yeah, from there, the accounts are already passed. I'll select daily payout, of course, and start getting some daily payouts. So that was a little recap. Now let's get into the trade. 9:30. All right. So already, what can I see? I can see we have these draws right there. We have this draw right there. What else? Here, right? Now, perfect. Let's go on the 1 minute. What can I see? Well, market open. We went all the way up, swept this high, and then what? We closed above, right? But then prices start to reject, right? So let's go back on the 15 minutes, see what's actually happening. If I pull out my session highs and low, we can clearly see that we ended up sweeping actually London high and then reversing to the downside, right? So let me, whoops, close this. If we go on the 1 minute, we can clearly see this. So let's remove this high that we marked and let's leave this one. Perfect. From there, let's wait. We are in our time to trade and we can take a trade. Now, like I said, I was sleeping, so this was the optimal trade of the day, right? Bang, we swept this high. We started a reversal, we displaced lower. We created our 1 minute fair value gap, so our entry that I like to take, and then bang, 1 to 2. Just like that, let's see. Bang, beautiful, right? But like I said, this wasn't the trade that I took, so I was still asleep, and around 9:57, I just woke up. So right there. I came to the market, I saw this, I was like, okay, I just missed this trade. Let's see what I can catch, if I can catch anything. So I was still waiting. Then I was like, all right, we have this sell side right there that's holding, so let me just mark that. And I'll mark this high right there, so whatever we break through, I'll end up taking the trade. So for example, if we break through this, then I'll take continuation. If we break or if we respect the reversal, same thing here, right? So I was waiting, and I was like, okay, we just broke through this one, we created this gap right there. Now let's remove this, so obviously next draw should be, or next thing that's going to happen is price action should rebalance into this fair value gap and then go lower, right? Right there was the rebalance, 10.08, so my trade was at 10.08. Now stop loss, I could have placed it like this, 36, so what is this, 10 points, but I went with my regular size 50 for 100. Of course, 50 for 98, so I don't break the consistency thingy. 1, 2, 3 minutes later, bang, full TP. As simple as that. And look at that, price 1014 came exactly to these lows. I mean, doesn't matter, but came exactly here and then start a full reversal. So definitely should have marked like I did right there. Or these, I mean, it doesn't matter, it's super close, right? But price ended up sweeping these lows again and bang, full reversal. So that was a nice play. That was the recap. Really glad that like we're actually back, we're focused, we're having some good trades. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.